Uh, this is a Logic Pro X. So I'm going to show you how to make a music. Okay, I'm going to record now my voice, and I'm going to hear it. So you must have to do this one. Okay, now we're gonna start it. This is the music. So this is your voice, volume of your voice. This is the music volume. Logar simjimindo chundi chola sheni chundi kandu sala simbe ganju shoso simla nani sabe pomo kasita wandala. Okay, that's it. Let me see. Okay, and you can add more musics here. To do that, we're gonna go to the library and the guitars and much more musics you can pick up from here. So okay, I'm gonna okay, now I already recorded, right? You see? You see, this is a separate track, my okay, I'm gonna join these two vocals. So to do that, and one second, all right, you're gonna select both of these. You're gonna click here and hold the shift and click here. Then you're gonna go to the edit on the top. Edit on the top. Then you're gonna go to Jong region. You need to do this one, Jong part trucks. If you do this one, click here. It's both they're joined together. So now I'm gonna separate this vocal is one and the truck is one. Okay, so to do that you're gonna click here and create. You look here, see, now you can see here everything one truck, right? Looks like only one truck here. Alright, that's it guys. Please subscribe. Thank you. This is better. That's beat. And you can adjust all this one level low and this to the high, so you know this is compression And now looks like everything's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna select all. Come on, A, select all. I'm gonna save the trucks, okay? You go to the shares, song to the iTunes. You can directly listen to your iTunes, or you can say as we let's go to your iTunes. Now I can listen to here. That's it, guys. So you can listen the song in the iTunes. You see, it's automatically come here. See, this is the mobile song. Nam ghi số chú ya lẽ đưa làm chúng sa ê la ai chúng. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.